Italian lemon breakfast cookies. Delicious. This is what we will be preparing today. Ciao everybody, Caterina here. Welcome to my kitchen on this beautiful spring day. My sweetheart is going to be leaving me this weekend for a golf weekend with his friends. And of course, he asked if I would prepare a lovely basket full of baked goods. For the second cookie, I will be preparing Italian lemon breakfast cookies that my husband and I first had in Capri, Italy. Let's get started. For best results, all three of these recipes, all the ingredients have to be at room temperature. To begin, half a cup of granulated sugar, zest of 1 lemon, you know what I'm going to do now. Want the oils from the zest to infuse with the sugar. It tastes so much better. So fragrant. Add 2 large eggs, one at a time. The mixture is a beautiful pale yellow. Now we can add 50 mils of sunflower oil, 50 mils of full fat milk, juice of half a lemon, final wet ingredient, 50 mils of extra virgin olive oil. The wet ingredients is done. We're going to begin with the dry. You will need 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, a pinch of kosher salt, packet of pane del angele. If you don't have this, 16 grams of baking powder. Give the dry ingredients a really good mix. To add the dry to the wet, keep your mixer on stir and begin by adding a tablespoon at a time. Stop your mixer and do a scrape down. The dough is ready. We're going to remove it from the mixer bowl, place it in plastic wrap, 1, 2, in the refrigerator for 1 hour. Started forming my Italian lemon breakfast cookies, about 3 inches long and about 1 inch wide, 40 grams each. Preheat your oven to 390 degrees Fahrenheit. Scramble an egg white. We're going to coat each cookie with the egg white and then sprinkle some granulated sugar on top. In my preheated oven for 12 to 15 minutes. When you see them golden brown, you know they're ready. Italian lemon breakfast cookies. And I'm going to say it, if you can only smell my kitchen. Oh, look at that. Perfectly baked. Delicioso. The lemon is just perfect in this cookie. I want to thank you so much for joining me today. And it's Caterina, my home to yours. Please don't forget to hit your like button. And if you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel and share my recipes. Ciao. Oh. A spectacular breakfast package for my husband and his golf friends. I'm sure they are going to enjoy these treats immensely. And off it goes.